Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to present and record your screen using Canva. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Here we are with our canva.com, and we can just create many more contents like your social media one, or videos, or your websites, anything using Canva that you can just create with lot more features that we have. And now we will just go to some presentations and click on this presentation, and after we get into this, we have lot more templates to discover, and we can just explore to all of these templates and choose the one which suits you more. Let's say that I feel that this any of this, let us go for this one. So this suits me the more, and let me apply this. So let's say that you have created this presentation, and you are ready with it. So instead of using any other additional software, your recording tool or anything, you can directly present these all things on your Canva. Let's say that you are making some changes with the text or the color and the images, and as we have already seen in the previous videos, we can even just change its style. We can just go to the design, and let me go back, and here we can find the styles, and we can just choose whatever color palettes that we want to apply to this presentation, like just clicking on it. We can shuffle this like this, and well, let's say that I just found my needed color palette of for this particular page, or I can apply this to all the pages that are available on my presentation. After I'm done with this, let's say that this is my final presentation, and I want to record this, and recording my webcam, that is my video, and also the screen. This I can do it without any additional software by using Canva. Now I just need to go to the share, and once you are done with this, click on more, and here you can just find something, an option called as present and record. Here you can present it merely by just clicking on the present. You can present it on the full screen like this. By using the present and record, we can just go again and click on more, click on present and record. So it will be asking you like if you have any pro elements of Canva, you need to pay to remove the watermarks, or let me just go to the recording studio. So it will be asking me the permission to access my camera, so I can allow this, and after this I can also allow the use of microphone. And once I'm done with it, I can start the recording. So once I allow both of them, I can start the recording, and the recording starts. And you can even take the notes for your design in the recording. Let me get back to the editing. And this is how you can present and record your screen using Canva without any additional software required. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.